Manipur's Meiraba Luwang men's single winning the title for BWF 30th Iran. Meiraba clinched a thrilling come-from-behind win over 7th seed Danilo Boysnuk of Ukraine to emerge as champion. 12th seed Meiraba overcame a tough challenge to post a hard-fought 18-21, 21-13, 21-19 win over Danilo Boysnuk. World number 175 Meiraba was stretched to his limits in an hour-long encounter. 21-year-old Boysnuk put Meiraba under pressure by pocketing the first game. The Manipur youngster displayed his array of splendid shots to grab the second game with relative ease. Meiraba maintained his tempo in the third game too and was leading 11-6 at the break. Both players fought hard, but Meiraba changed gears and jumped to 20-14. The Ukrainians saved 5 match points to close the gap to 19-20. Meiraba then managed to convert his 6th match point to shatter the hopes of his opponent.